bring you a prom makeup look, and I decided to do a cut crease for this look with a little bit of smoky because I wanted the eye to be the center of attention. So I also paired it with a nude lip from the Lip Brulee collection, and it is one of my favorite products from this collection. So if you guys are interested in learning how I got this look, just keep on watching the video and I'll see you on my next one. To begin this makeup look, I am grabbing the base for my eyes from the Shape Tape Concealer, and this is just going to get rid of all the veins and it's going to give you a clean canvas for your makeup. So I am taking this palette Espresso Yourself from the Beauty Crop, and I'm going to go in with the color Caramel Latte, which is going to be a transition for our eye look. And we are going to put that as the base to begin our whole makeup look. And we are going to be going in with a prom sexy sultry eye look. And I decided to do this makeup look with the Beauty Crop because I love this palette. And I am taking the color Mocha and I am applying that on the outer V of my eyes. And I'm going to be working that in towards the inner corner as well. And it's just going to intensify the look a little bit more. And make sure you blend everything together.
Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my fun land. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
So now I'm taking this Urban Decay primer and I'm applying that all over my eyes. By the way, I am using the Ardell eyelashes that I bought from Burlington. These are the 252 eyelashes. They're the Glam eyelashes. Anyway, I'm taking this primer all over my face, and this is going to keep our makeup in place, especially for prom. We want to make sure our makeup stays on longer. And I'm taking my favorite foundation from Too Faced, and it's the Born This Way foundation in the shade Sand. And I'm taking this blender, beauty blender from Real Techniques, and I'm just blending everything. Taking this concealer from Ulta. It's my favorite one. It's a long wear concealer and it's waterproof as well, so it's not gonna go anywhere.
But we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. I remember the ocean, memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set our mind at fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer.
Here I'm just taking my Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics. I'm just applying that on my cheeks, on the hollows, and it's just going to give you a contour look for this makeup glam.
I'm in a tropic club.
Can we just take a moment for this highlight from the Beauty Crop Glow Milk? It is my favorite highlighter, you guys. It blended so beautifully. You guys have to try this out for yourself. I love this highlighter. Just fell in love with it, and it is so pretty. If you are interested in any of the Beauty Crops products, I have a discount code with them. It's Geraldine10. I will link it down in the description box for you guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out these videos down below so that way you don't miss any of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Mwah.